How to optimize your website design. In this video, we'll discuss how to optimize your website design so you can make more money online. Welcome to Affluence Online, the place to learn about investing and managing your finances. Before we jump into the content, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another video. We share tips on how to make money every single week, and be sure to hit the like button if you're getting value from these free tips. Your web design is the face of your business online. Through design, you're going to make an impact on your customers. While creating any website, the basic aspects of web design are: 1. Content. The content is the substance of the website and should be relevant to the site. It should target the customers and visitors. 2. Usability. The site should be user-friendly with a simple and reliable interface and navigation system. 3. Appearance. The graphics and text should include a single style that flows throughout for consistency. 4. Visibility of the site. The site should be easy to find via most search engines. Optimization is a process of making something functional and effective. Web design optimization is a continuous process of improving the design to achieve business goals. An optimized web page loads quickly on the client system, so your website visitor can quickly get the information they had come for. The reasons for optimization are varied. These include increasing download speed, increasing its search engine ranking, and applying modern web standards. Here are some ways you can optimize your website design. 1. Optimize graphics for web use. Don't make your customers wait for pages to load. As a business owner, you can't afford to lose a single customer. If you have a graphic-intensive site, all you need to do is optimize your graphics for web use. Here, optimizing means compressing the size of graphics for fast download. 2. Emphasize content. Make sure the content of the website is laid out effectively. If you only concentrate on looks and ignore the content, you can't make an impact on your customers. You need to provide a concise, convincing message and information about your website. If you want your visitors to buy your product or service, make sure that your content is simple and easy to understand. 3. Install a navigation system that complements search engines. Navigation systems are built to help visitors find their way around your website. Therefore, they should be designed carefully to make them search engine friendly. Search engines need a chain of hypertext links starting at your home page that will take them page by page in your entire site. 4. Emphasize color, shapes, and font size. Things like color, shape, and sizes of font can make a big impact on the overall message. Using blue, green, silver, and gray colors can create a calm effect. Using rounded corners instead of hard edges within your design can enable a soft and personal feeling. 5. Keep it simple. Look at some successful websites like Google that are very simple. Do not use bloated features. Keep your goals as well as visitors' needs in mind when adding a feature. Thank you for spending some time with Affluence Online. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. We also handpick these videos that we recommend you watch next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back again soon.